Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another Mech Merlin stream. I see an X-Rogue, Barugi, CP the Brick, Luminous Peak, and Wilford and Conrad Questions joining in at the very start. Thanks, everyone, for joining in. For those of you joining the stream for the very first time, every Sunday night, 7:30 p.m. PDT, we cover the mechanical keyboard group by news, in which we talk about everything keyboard, keycaps, desk mats, whatever that is entering and exiting group buy for the week. This particular episode covers anything tonight, February the 5th, all the way till this coming Saturday, February 11th. So everything between this 7-day time period is fair game. If you guys want to find out what I've already talked about on the stream, don't forget to execute the GB list command. That will be updated as the stream goes along. So if you click on that right now, you'll notice that it is completely empty. So without further ado, let's start off with our very first ending group buy. And it's gonna be a short stream today, guys. Here we go. This one is a set going on drop. Here we go. This is the, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but it is the Benemate Mecha keycap set, starting with the $35 base kit. This base set only covers a standard layout TKL. So if you have one of those TKLs with a split right shift or Sangan bottom row, this set is not gonna work for you. They do have an add-on kit for 30 bucks. You also have novelties and a numpad kit. So, you know, if you did want to support the more uncommon layouts, you would be spending an additional $30. So all in all, not really that much expensive. To buy every single kit, you are looking at 110 bucks, and they have an ETA of April 3rd, 2023. So here, let's take a look at a few more of these renders right here. If you're a big fan of Mecha, definitely check it out. When I first talked about this key set, I said that I wasn't a big fan of the legends, wasn't a big fan of the colors. The one thing that I really liked, though, was the space bar. Here, let me give you guys a, here we go, this one. The space bar in the novelty kit. I thought that that looked really cool. It kind of gave me this circuit board kind of feel. Yeah, but for 110 bucks, you could get the whole kit. This is a cherry profile key set, and it is die sub PBT. So yeah, if you like a cherry profile, but prefer large legends located at the center of your keycap, this might be the key set for you. This one expires tomorrow, actually, so you've got one extra day to make your decision. Next item that is expiring for the week is actually a key set that was extended from last week. We talked about it expiring last week, but it is back. It is back and expiring this coming Saturday, February 11th. This is the Winnie the Pooh set, the KBM 100 Acres. You get a base kit supporting all the common layouts up to full size. You even got split spacebar support, all for 90 bucks. You of course have novelties for 25, an international supporting kit, couple artisans here for 35 each, and then desk mats for 22.50. You've got Into the Forest, 100 Acres, and the Balloons desk mat. When I first talked about this, I said my favorite desk mat would have to be the 100 Acres one. So yeah, this one was supposed to expire on the 3rd, I believe, but is now extended till the 11th. If you wanted to buy every single one of these kits, desk mats, and artisans, you're looking to spend 280 bucks. Estimated time of delivery is July 2023, so fairly quick. Yeah, this is once again a PBT key set. PBT cherry profile kit with 1.7 millimeter walls. And I did say this was going to be a shorter stream, but as far as I know, at least, not before the audience group buy section, these are the only items that are expiring for the week. 2 key sets, that's the Benemate Mecha set and the KBM 100 Acres. So yeah, this might be, at least by my calculations, the cheapest week of 2023 so far. If you wanted to buy both sets in their entirety, you're spending less than 400 bucks, $390 altogether. just out of curiosity, if you guys had to pick, if you guys absolutely had to pick, which of these two key sets would you guys purchase? Let me know in the chat. 100 acres, 100 acres. Stacy Smash coming back in the chat. Hey, nice to see you again. See, Krakenwise, 100 acres. Yep, I kind of knew most people would pick 100 acres just because the Mecha set has a very polarizing legend. Wallet is safe. 100 acres, 100 acres. What they said, 100 acres. Yeah, this is no surprise at all. No surprise at all. I'll take option 3. There is no option 3. Unless it's the not spending any money at all. Pooh Bear in the house. Neither for me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to agree with the majority of you. I think I made this call last week as well. If it's really only these two sets, I wouldn't even buy the Keebio 100 acres, but I'd probably at least buy the Desmat because it's really cute. I like it a lot. Check it out, guys. This one expires on the 11th. You got the Desmat for sure, so Stacy Smash, awesome. Those are the only 2 items that are expiring. But I did find a lot of things that we missed last week. We did, I don't know, maybe I distracted everyone with all my cats that people couldn't think of group buys that were occurring. But we missed, here, let me do a quick count. We missed 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 items last week that started this previous week. Oh my gosh, what's going on? I see a bunch of first-time chatters. Yes, I'm being rated by Alex Sotos with 430 people. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Alex Sotos, for sending all your people my way. Awesome. See, first-time chatters. Hello, everyone. Sal Keyboards 25 MB, Lego Junkie, Adam Geo, who else is here? Rufus, Dasupa Yavin. Thanks, guys, for all joining in. If this is your first time here, my name is Merlin, and every Sunday night, 7:30 p.m. PDT, I cover the weekly group buy news. This particular episode covers everything tonight, February 5th, all the way till Saturday, February 11th. So welcome everyone. Hopefully you have your wallets prepared. We just finished ending group buys, and as far as I know, there were only 2 ending group buys that I could find. One of them was the Benemate Mecha keycap set. The other one was Keebio 100 acres. I don't know if that's the only one expiring, but at the end of the stream, we have a group by news section that you guys can whisper me content and all that. But our next segment of the show is missed group buys, covering group buys that we failed to find last week. So with that said, let's start off with our very first missed group buy. This one is a set many people have been waiting for. This one is Olivia R3, ending on February 24th. So yeah, not a, like, you know, if you guys have ever seen Olivia R1 or R2, it's more or less the same thing. You have $99 for the base kit. Base kit covers a full-size board with some of the common layouts in between, not necessarily everything here. For example, one thing I'm noticing that's different here is you don't have a second 2.25U left shift for those of you guys who have a 66 key and all that. You've also got Dark Olivia for 119, 65 for the international kit, 55 for extensions, novelties 25, space bars 25, and a couple artisans, one for 55 for your enter key with hee, and Hibby Artisan, your regular 1U for $40. My understanding for this is that this is a set that's already in production, so you may notice that the estimated arrival is actually this year. It's not like previous GMK sets that were like 2 years down the road and you still don't see it. But yeah, to join in the base kit, $99. To buy every single kit, artisan and all that, you're looking at just shy of $500 at $483. But yeah, just to show you guys the real thing here. There we go, I've got this on my Capsule 65. I think it just matches the beige super nicely. Look at all that. I might buy it again because there are other boards in my collection that could benefit from a nice Olivia set. I really like this set. So check it out. You guys have almost till the end of the month to make your purchase. All right, the next item that I missed. Actually, the rest of the items that we missed are all just keyboards, actually. Now this one's like an interesting one. This one is a $150 65 key, 65%. This is called the Faceless 65 for 150 bucks on Digital Carpentry. Look at that. Let's see if I can find a top-down view of it. The 65%, this is a stacked acrylic, as you guys can see over here. Let's look at a few more specs. Typing angle 6.5 degrees, acrylic plate, interlaid acrylic pieces, custom PCB created by Swift Racks, solder, USB-C, split left shift and backspace, encoder support on the top right, and you will need, like the usual, switches, stabilizers, and a USB-C cable. But yeah, look at that. Very cute board. Look at that. It's even like the stacked feet. Look at that. So 150, there's only one price for this. Yeah, and this is the supported layouts here. You don't have to do the 3-1 use to the right of the spacebar like the demo version is showing. You can do the usual 1.5s as well, which is my preferred layout. And yeah, you can split your backspace, you can do ISO, you can even split your left shift and all that. This guy expires on the 21st, so just a few days before Olivia does. Right, next item that we missed. This one we have a little bit more time, and it's actually the same price as the Faceless 65. The Fruitbar R2. If you guys are looking for a cool little 40% with encoder and OLED support for a relatively cheap price of 150 bucks, this might be it. Let's see, Divinikey Rev1 PCB by Olivia. Oh, interesting. Let's see, Comrade says, big fan of the R1, might pick up the case. Take a look at that PCB. That is using a Raspberry Pi chip. I believe that is an RP2040. Yeah, we've moved on from Atmega 32U4s to ARM chips to finally a Raspberry Pi chip. I think this is a very good move for the community. Optional add-ons, you can have a top fruit butt engraving for 10 bucks. And if you don't really want to build your board together, you can have them assemble it for you. Upgraded switch plates, OLED screen add-on, knob add-ons, very nice. But yeah, I think it's a fairly good looking kit. You guys know that, while I find 40% very attractive, every single 40% that I've ever received on this channel has usually just sat on my shelf. Like I did try to use it for work, but there's only so much I can take. Like, when you actually have to work, you're like, this is slowing me down. I need to go back to my regular layout and all that. See, I really like the rotary encoder on the top there. I think that's a very nice touch. And it's even got arrows. This one's like, yeah, and as Adam Geo is saying, this one has all the punctuation for sure. But yeah, check it out, guys. 150 bucks is not a bad price. And it's got an estimated delivery time of June 2023. Expiring March 4th. So we got quite a bit of time if you want to buy this board. So the next board is also a 40%. We missed this last week as well, and it is expiring the same day as the Fruitbar. This is the Curio 40. Curio 40, much more expensive. At $330, you do have your choice of different top color and finish. You can do clear, that's glass-like, clear, that's frosted, purple, that's glass-like. Here, actually, let's just scroll through all of these. Cute little board, as you guys can see, for 350 bucks. In fact, you can go with the raw aluminum finish. The bottom color, you can do raw aluminum, and then you can also build this without a plate or with polycarb or palm, but at its cheapest configuration, this is a $310 board. So look, it's also got rotary encoder support, and what makes this board unique is take a look at where that space bar is located, right? Look at that. It's not exactly where space bars normally are located, and it still allows you like a split space bar support. That's nice metal back right there. Yeah, 40s aren't for everyone, but I do recommend, you know, no matter what you use your keyboard for at work, you should definitely try a 40% at one point, you know, because, you know, some people just absolutely love it and they say it doesn't hamper them at work. It's always good to try new things, right? Here we go. Here's the layout support. Lots of different spacebar support. I think if I were to buy this board, I'd probably go with this third one here, the 1.5, 3, and the 1.5 bottom row here. Look at that. That's a little exploded view of the board. Very nice. This one has an estimated delivery time of June 2023. Yeah, not a long wait either. See, anything particular? 5-degree typing angle. Aluminum option, yeah, we talked about that. Oh, raw aluminum, graphite black, and robin's egg blue. So both of these are Cerakotes. Var just says, if this was cheaper, I would buy for sure. Yeah, 310, 350 is kind of a steep price to go in on it. Especially if you're not someone who's into 40%. But yeah, like I said earlier, this one expires the same time as the Fruitbar. This coming March 4th and delivering in June. And as far as I know, those were the only items that we missed from last week. Like I said, this is going to be a short stream, but the next part of our stream is starting group buys, and we only have one item. We only have one item, but this is an item that really excites me simply because I really like the people who have designed it. Yeah, this is the Hex 50. This one's starting today, actually. The Hex 50 FE, a plateless F13 win keyless TKL. So look at that, guys. That is, and similar to the Hex 4B. Yeah, if you guys remember, when I built this board, I mentioned that I only have 2 other boards that are red. The Hex 4B is my other board that is red. But yeah, similar to the Hex 4B, it's got the same mounting pattern right here. These are basically just like O-rings that you wrap around the PCB itself, and you've got your choice between 50A and 60As that they include with the entire pack. See, something magical says I have to head off. Good night, Merlin. Good night to you as well. Yeah, the 50 FE utilizes the O-ring plateless mount. Features a massive sandblasted stainless steel external weight. Very nice. Visible from both the sides and back of the keyboards. Ooh, very fancy. And get this, guys. It was inspired by, or they were enamored by the TGR Jane. I like that word. I like that word. That's yeah, you don't see that word used very often, but I like that word. Let's see. And also inspired by Geon Works boards as well. The Jur 80, yeah, lots of inspiration going into this. And get this, guys. This is a very limited board. Here, let me point it out. Where does he say it? Sale info. This is an SGD 650 board, which translated to US dollars is roughly 490, and 100 units, serialized, no reruns or extras. First come, first serve. So the fact that this started today, February 5th, as I speak, it may already be sold out. Actually, let's go check it out. Let's go, let me just check it out really quick. Yeah, 100 units serialized. Like, people are gonna go crazy for that. Kraken White says it's gone. Sold out. There we go. That was quick. See, for limited to 1 unit per person, orders over 1 unit will be completely refunded. But yeah, I'm not surprised. For those of you guys who were fortunate enough to score a Hex 4B, I'm expecting this to like sound and feel very, very similar. Well, Bob said it sold out in 5 minutes. Well, it's 100 boards, right? 100 boards that are serialized? Dang. That back view right there with that stainless steel weight, ooh, looks so nice. Well, anyway, let me paste this in the chat as well. So you guys can follow along. Started today and apparently ended today as well. Out of curiosity, did anyone on stream actually go for this, and how successful were you? See, Black Simon did not like the carbon fiber look or the price. Oh, really? I actually like the carbon fiber look, but I would agree on the price. Yeah, this is a fairly expensive board. Like what? This is 490 bucks. Like if I remember correctly, the Hex 4B was kind of marketed as a more budget-friendly 75% option. This one definitely is not on that same caliber. This one, yeah, because of that stainless steel block on the back, it's probably much nicer. Too expensive, says Popebaldi. Not me, not me. Not including the shipping and hand. Yeah, for sure. Was sleeping, says Yavin. And it's serialized. Yeah, the serialized stuff is probably gonna get people a lot. Giraffe says, Hex 4B was great for its price, but I feel like with the QK80, Tiger 80, and Zoom TKL, make this a difficult buy. But apparently it was gone in 5 minutes, so the demand for a board of this caliber is still pretty much, very much in existence. Here, let me update the group buy list. Yep, that is good. And yeah, we are 40 minutes into the show, guys, but we are already done. That's really like all the group buys that I could find on my own. Now, this is the time that you guys get to help me out. There we go. So if you guys feel like I missed something for the week, so this can be a keycap, keysat, even artisans, Desmat, as long as it is related to mechanical keyboards. And get this, as long as it is a group buy and occurring this week being defined as anything tonight, February 5th, all the way till February 11th, this coming Saturday. It can be a group buy that's starting or ending. Please whisper it to me in the chat. Okay, according to Giraffe, not sure if this counts, but ABAT's Keyboard Club, based in the Philippines, is finishing fulfillment of their Nayeon TKL keyboards and will be having extras up soon. 650 USD. Oof, that's pricey. Apparently it is a TKL that is screwless, inspired by Nayeon. I no clue who that is. Probably K-pop star. And apparently it's tadpole mount, similar to Guion's design. 7-degree typing angle. Any pictures? Ooh. Oh, that looks nice. I've been wanting to like have like a huge keycap like this, just because like for like TKLs I barely use my navigation key, so it would be cool if I had like a big key there that I could, I know, program to some macro or so. But looks like a pretty decent TKL. But 650, dang, that's whew, quite the price tag there. Thank you very much, Giraffe. Resistance frequencies coming with a, oh, this one. I forgot about this guy. It's the Ori CLS. The Ori CLS, and another TKL actually. Let's see, what does Resistance say about this? Resistance says, oh, he just says starting on the 8th. Okay. F13 TKL available in WKL and WK. Plate options, lots of aluminum in a variety of different colors. Internal and external weight options available in brass or copper. Very nice. Starting on the 8th and ending on the 16th. Oh, that's a short group buy. Standard kit is 616 USD. Whew. Makes it expensive. This makes the Hex 50 FE look so much cheaper. Estimated delivery time Q4 of 2023. 6-degree typing angle. Let's see, exploded view. Let's see more pictures. Okay. So yeah, you guys can choose between brass or copper for the internal and external weights. It's a beautiful board. NFT airdrop, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh good, they've got alignment pins as well. Yeah, it's a good looking board. What is that logo there? Here, let's see if any of the other pictures have close-ups of that logo. I guess not. Basically a bargain with the NFT included. Oh yeah, of course. There we go. Very nice. Yeah, I think it's a fairly good looking board. Thank you very much, Resistance Frequencies. Okay, this is a limited pre-order. Limited pre-order. I guess that counts as a GB, right? Limited pre-order. All these tricky terminology. This one is from Keyno. This is a limited pre-order for the Year of the Rabbit. PBT die sub cherry profile keycaps. Check it out. It's basically a red on white set with green sub legends and red and green accents. So for the base kit you got 89 bucks. And for the novelties, ooh, those are cute. Cute rabbits. You've got rabbits, carrots, running rabbits, the rabbit Chinese character. Cool. And you've also got a keycap box. Interesting. $29. Let's look at a few of these. Yeah, I like the colors. Oh, that looks good on a red board. Tataimo says, I like it. I'm also Year of the Rabbit. There we go. I have a friend of mine who's about to give birth actually, and she was like really wanting her kid to be a rabbit. So she held on. She's supposed to give birth any time now, so she did reach her goal. Also, I recently learned that if you are Vietnamese, apparently it's not the Year of the Rabbit for you, it's the Year of the Cat. There we go. So Krakenwise does add a little bit more info. He says, unlike most DMK cherry keycaps, this one is die subbed, not double or triple shot. And there is no end date as far as I can tell. Very nice. Here, let's jot it down in our little group by news list. DMK Year of the Rabbit. Limited pre-order. There's a hell of a long link. There we go. Thank you very much, Krakenwise. Next up is Wolfman Warden. What did he send me today? This one is from Dan Keebs. This is the Keyno. Oh yeah, the Keyno Y8. I think we covered this when it started, but I think at the time I didn't find an end date. But here we go. 300. No wait, this is the standard and raw version. So you can pick CNC raw, 374 bucks. Here, let me paste it in chat so you guys can follow along. And you also have your choice of purple, dark green, burgundy. I wonder if the burgundy is as nice as the W1AT. You got your traditional silver, black, electrophoresis pink, and cream. Very cool. So yeah, once you go the electrophoresis route, the price does jump up to $374. But you can pick between WinKey and WinKeyless. You can pick soldered or hot swap PCB as well. $374. Dang, you know, honestly, Like after looking at the really high-end TKLs that we talked about at the audience group buy, the ones that were like 600 bucks, or even like that new hex board, like I'm not as wowed by this anymore, unfortunately. Look at this. What makes the Keyno Y8 special? It's restrained and minimal. There is no pattern, no text, no lights, only geometric elements such as bars. Let's see. These unique components ensure the Y8 maintains a refreshing design. An elegant accent has also been incorporated under the function keys. The position of the top and bottom case is equally divided in the middle. And the linear exposed design of the middle case improves the layering of the side and back of the keyboard. The back uses triangles and trapezoids as the main elements. Oh, really? Let's look at that back. Okay. I see that. I see that. Oh yeah, there's also the heat coloring one, if I remember correctly. Oh yeah. I think the last time I talked about this, someone asked me, Merlin, why would anyone want to buy the CNC raw? Well, number one, to save a little bit of money. Sometimes people like to Cerakote or paint or do their own anodization, which I don't know how you would do your own anodization. But after going to the Arizona meetup, actually, I talked with a individual there who mentioned that he liked buying just the raw CNC ones just because they can patina it themselves. And I'm like, oh yeah, that's gotten really popular in our hobby as of late, thanks to like Knee Deep and other people's work. But yeah, like the self patina and all that. Cool. 374, not a bad price. Let's see, this one is the Keyno Y8. Keyno Y8. Expiring on tomorrow, actually. Let's see, the next person sending me stuff is Innocent. Linworks Big Whale and Pad. This one, according to Innocent, starts tomorrow, February 6th, and runs till the 20th. Very cool. Let's see. Specifications, gasket, 7-degree typing angle. Let's look at a few pictures here. Ooh. Curvaceous sides. Looks nice. Yeah, that is definitely a very different looking TKL than what we've just seen. Like the pad is matching as well. That's really cool. Look at that. I think that top one is like acrylic, or it's it doesn't look like it's anodized. Let's see. 370 for the anodized version, 390 for e-coating plus shipping. The pad itself is 180 or 190. Oh, it's using a Fave 87 soldered PCB. Interesting. I have not seen a Fave 87 in a long time. Keyno Y8, it's like a girthier Rama U80. Yeah, I think I could see that. It's going to be sold on the KLC online store and delivered this July 2023. Cool. Let's see, anything else I can say about this? So, it's an aluminum board, so that top board is aluminum. It's just that the way it's anodized, I guess, makes it look a little bit more glassy. Interesting. Yeah, not too much information here. Very cool. Linworks Big Whale and Pad. Linworks Big Whale and Pad. 2.6 to 220. There we go. Dataimo sent me another one that's starts in 2 days, actually. What is this? The CKW80. This one, according to Dataimo, starts on February 7th and runs till Valentine's Day, February 14th. So yeah, 349 bucks. You get to choose between a WinKey or a WinKeyless board. Let's see, case color, silver, black, purple, dark green, and burgundy. Ooh, burgundy is starting to get popular. Interesting. You can choose your weight. So your weight is actually aluminum, so it's not necessarily a weight, it's an accent at this point. But you can choose PVD brass, gold PVD brass, silver PVD brass, black, and E-brass. E-brass. Interesting, I didn't know you could do electrophoresis coating on brass. Here, let's look at a few of these. Oh, that green looks really nice, actually. Oh, I like that green. That would look really good on GMK Olive, GMK Kaiju. Yeah, I like that green. See, oh, look at that. It's a nice little weight there. Not bad. Not bad for a... Oh, geez. I guess if you go all out, it does go up to like 439 bucks. These look really nice, like their other previous boards. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, check it out. This is a TKL from Velocifire. CKW80. I don't know what the CKW stands for. There we go. And it is running from February 7th till the 14th. Okay. Thank you very much, Dataimo. While I'm waiting for other submissions, I'll go bring sushi in. Guest appearance right here. Let's do it this way again. Alright guys, this is my little baby. Her name is Sushi. She is a 2.5-year-old Siberian forest cat. She is hypoallergenic because I am actually deathly allergic to cats, so I had to get something like this. She's very adorable. I love her so much. Kiss you. Do you like being kissed? Hi. Oh. Okay. Oh, you're purring. Here, you can sit on my lap while I finish off the stream. Oh wait, they can't see you if you sit on my lap. Her eyes, oh my god, yeah, I know. Here, let me bring her closer to the camera. If she'll let me. No, no. I got your feet, don't worry. Don't worry. There we go. You want to look at the camera, baby girl? You're just looking up at my lights? And of course, once I pull out the cats, people stop sending me group buy stuff because they're all distracted. You're a big distraction, you know that, right? You're a big distraction to the stream. And I'm sure everyone loves you. Okay? Oh, I hear Miso crying now. He's like, let me into the stream room. Okay, I'm gonna let you out. I'll let you out, okay? Okay, I'm gonna let you out. Ah! I told you I'll let you out, don't worry. Don't worry. Here you go. Out you go. Out you go. And here, I'll take you this time. Here. This other one was crying. This other one was crying, so I had to drag her in too. This one's Miso. I like to say that Sushi is my beautiful cat, and this one is my super cute cat. Yes. Look at her. Aren't you the sweetest? You're the sweetest, aren't you? Yeah, everyone loves her eyes. Look at them. Oh my gosh, look at you. You're the cutest cat ever. Look at her. 1010 would recommend, says Premium H2O. But yeah, no one's sending me stuff anymore. You just want one Siberian cat, so beautiful. Yeah, they are so beautiful. They're so, what do you call that? They're so chill. You're so chill. Okay. I gotta finish my stream, baby. Okay? Little paw. Look at these paws. Hello. Hi, everyone. My name is Miso. I'm a Siberian forest cat. Hello, everybody. Okay. I gotta put you outside. Alright, baby girl? Do Miso clack or thok? What say you? Can you say meow? Can you clack or can you thok? She's confused. You're confused, aren't you? It's okay. It's okay, Papa still loves you. There we go. Alright, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for joining the stream. My next stream is going to be this Wednesday, in which I build a board called the Great Sword. It's an upcoming TKL starting on February 16th, I believe. So if you're interested in that particular keyboard, make sure you join in on Wednesday and sit tight while we raid Starfire Penguin, another keyboard streamer. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom.